Hi, today I'm going to explain how to give dimension to an arc, that is arc dimensioning. So it gives you the arc length. So let's start. So now I am in the sketcher mode. Usually we go to the smart dimension and give the dimension. This is usual practice. Now I am going to show you arc dimension. Here shows the arc. That means that is arc length of this particular segment. So this is in sketcher mode. So this is the way we have to create in part file. Now let's go to the drawing. Drawing also we have to click endpoints and click this arc. It gives the arc length. This is how we have to create arc dimensioning. Thank you.